Given the opportunity, everyone would love to accumulate more wealth, make more money, and live an abundant life. However, many people have a poor relationship with money. They have trouble manifesting money and wealth into their lives, and as a result, never achieve the financial success they desire. The truth is that financial success starts in the mind, and the number one thing holding many people back is their belief system concerning wealth and money. With that in mind, leveraging the law of attraction is one of the most effective ways to change your beliefs about money into a belief system that will open you up to the prosperity that is all around you. But first, you must take some steps to really see it work to change your life. 1. Identify your limiting beliefs about money. In order to activate the law of attraction in your life, you must identify and change your limiting beliefs about money. Throughout our lives, since childhood, we've created limiting beliefs about money that we've internalized over time and accepted to be true. You've heard these limiting beliefs before. They're things like money doesn't grow on trees and is therefore extremely difficult to acquire, or the idea that money can't buy happiness, or the limiting belief that you can't be rich and be a good person at the same time. Before you can begin leveraging the law of attraction, it's important to first identify and address any limiting beliefs about money that you might have. Once you see money for what it really is, an accessible, unlimited supply of a resource you can use in any way that you desire, it's much easier to form the habits and mindset necessary to acquire wealth. One great way to address any limiting beliefs about money is through the use of positive affirmations. For example, if you realize that you view money as something that is scarce and difficult to acquire, you could use a positive affirmation such as, "I'm a money magnet. Everything I touch turns to gold." Other positive affirmations you can use are, "I am releasing any and all negative thoughts and emotions about money, and am happy and free to visualize my dreams." Or, "I am creating all the money I want and need to accomplish everything I want to do in life." Try the affirmation, "I am making positive choices about what to do with my money and enjoying the energy of abundance that it reflects." What you say to yourself becomes what you believe, and what you truly believe becomes reality. By using positive affirmations to combat limiting beliefs about money, you can develop a mindset concerning money that enables you to leverage the law of attraction. 2. Visualize your wealth as if you've already achieved it. The law of attraction dictates that the things you believe inwardly and project outwardly will be the things that you attract into your life. If you want to attract something such as money, therefore, it's important to visualize it as if you already have it. Visualizing a world where you have all of the money that you desire not only creates a mindset that is more receptive to financial gain, it also enables you to imagine what your life will be like once you have reached your goals. This, in and of itself, can serve as a powerful source of motivation that will keep pushing you forward when things get difficult. Visualizing money as if you already have it can also create an abundance mindset, as opposed to a mindset of scarcity. One of the big reasons why the wealthy have no problem getting richer is that they see the money they don't have as something that is both abundant and acquirable, while at the same time, seeing the money they do have as a tool that can be used to make more money rather than something that has to be protected or saved. This type of abundance mindset comes naturally when you have a lot of money, but it can also be developed by visualizing money as something that you already have in abundance. Free guide to learn to use the law of attraction in your life. Get the free guide if you want to create a physical anchor point for your visualizations. Try carrying around a $100 bill in your pocket. Simply doing this can make you feel wealthier and prevent you from ever being able to say that you are broke, and thus prevent the limiting mindsets that go along with being broke. 3. The universe will provide you with more. Finally, remember that the universe will provide you with more of what you're grateful for. Never underestimate the power of gratitude. Ultimately, the things that you are grateful for will be the things that you tend to pursue with the most passion. Truly being grateful for something also tends to eliminate any limiting beliefs you have, and will make you more receptive to new opportunities. As you go about adopting a beneficial mindset regarding money that enables you to leverage the law of attraction, and don't forget about the importance of gratitude. Be thankful for the money that you have. Be thankful for every opportunity you get to make more money, and be thankful when those opportunities pay off. No matter how much or how little money you are currently earning, an attitude of gratitude is essential if you want to earn more.